Woo! Nako! Mga bagets! Mga bagets! Congratulations on your 80th season UAAP. Palakpakan po natin ang UAAP. And of course, congratulations to UST for being this season's host. Yeah! Go, Steph!